All right, boys and girls, I'm going to go over your questions for your Module 5 test. Make sure you are following along with the video, and then you can click back to the test to put your answer in. All right, and use your paper and solve your problems. When you turn in your paper, I should see every problem written on your paper. All right, here we go. Number 1, what is the sum of 118 plus 128? So that's just a regular addition problem. 118 plus 128. Number 2, which of the following has a sum of 71? So you're going to add each line, each one of the choices, and find the one that makes 71. Number 3, which picture of the houses below matches the number sentence 3 plus 3 plus 3? So which of these pictures, there's option 1, option 2, option 3, and option 4. Which of those is set up to show 3 plus 3 plus 3? So it matches that number sentence. All right, number 4, which of the following has a sum of 864? Add each one of those until you come up with the one that makes 864. All right, number 5, Willow bought a balloon for her brother. She spent $1 bill, 3 dimes, and 2 pennies. How much money did Willow spend? So she used $1 bill, 3 dimes, and 2 pennies. Was that $1.77, $1.32, $1.17, or just 32 cents? She spent $1 bill, 3 dimes, and 2 pennies. All right, number 6, after picking apples, Jessie had the baskets of apples shown. Which addition sentence can be used to find out the number of baskets of apples Jessie picked? So you can see how they're arranged, how many rows there are, and how many are in each row. Which one of those number sentences matches it? Would that be 4 plus 0, 4 plus 4, 4 plus 4 plus 4, or 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4? So which of the number sentences down there matches that picture? You can also count how many baskets of apples there are and figure out which one of those equals the same number in the picture. Number 7, the community kitchen served 49 meals on Wednesday. They served 34 more meals on Thursday. So how many meals did they serve on Thursday? So they had 49 on Wednesday, and then on Thursday they served 34 more. So how many did they serve on Thursday? All right, number 8, make sure you pay attention to each part. Listen carefully to the sentence. There were 9 monkeys in a tree. 6 of the monkeys climbed out of the tree. Then 8 more climbed into the tree. How many monkeys are in the tree now? So they started out, there were 9 monkeys in the tree. Then 6 of the monkeys climbed out of the tree. And then 8 more climbed back into the tree. So how many monkeys are in the tree now? Number 9, solve the addition problem. 17 plus 12 plus 21 plus 32. Stack them on top of each other when you write them on your paper. Number 10, Gina stopped at the flower shop on the way home and bought an even number of flowers. Which of the following shows the flowers she bought? So you're looking for an even number of flowers. So you've got to look at your options here and count them and figure out which one has an even amount of flowers. So you can count them by ones and decide if that's an even number or not, or you can group them and count them by twos. If there's one left over, then it's not going to be even. If you can evenly count them by twos, then it would be an even number. Number 11, the Ocean Museum has 29 starfish. It also has 49 more jellyfish than starfish. So how many jellyfish does it have? So if it's got 29 starfish and it has 49 more jellyfish, then how many jellyfish does it have? Make sure you solve that problem on your paper. Number 12, Pablo has 10 crackers. Ellie has 3 fewer crackers than Pablo. How many crackers does Ellie have? So Pablo has 10 and Ellie has 3 fewer than Pablo. So how many crackers does Ellie have? Number 13, Mariah had 4 paintbrushes. She put them into 2 equal groups. Which number sentence below shows how she grouped her paintbrushes? So she's got those 4 paintbrushes and she's putting them into 2 equal groups. Which of these number sentences shows how she could put those paintbrushes, those 4 paintbrushes, into 2 equal groups? Number 14, what is the answer to this number sentence? 571 minus 369. Stack them on top of each other so you can see if you have enough on top to subtract down the column. If you don't, then you're going to have to exchange. If you need to draw your base 10 so that you can see the exchange, then do that, please. Make sure when you write them on your paper, write this problem on your paper, that you stack them on top of each other. Number 15, on Friday, Franny picked up 86 pieces of trash along the road. On Saturday, she picked up 27 fewer pieces of trash along the road. So how many pieces of trash did she pick up on Saturday? So on Friday, she had 86 pieces. And then on Saturday, she picked up 27 fewer pieces. So how many did she pick up on Saturday? Number 16, Tyler lined up all of his toy cars and counted them. He had an odd number of toy cars. Which of the following shows how many toy cars he had? So you've got option 1, 2, 3, and 4. You're going to have to count them. Remember, if we count them by twos and we can evenly count them by twos, then it's not odd. That means it's even. If we count them by twos and there's an extra left over, then that's an odd one. So you're looking for the odd number of toy cars. You can use your finger, especially on this one where the picture is really small. Use your finger, or you could use your finger this way, or you could take a piece of paper and cover as you're counting, so be careful. All right, number 17, which of the following number sentences is true? So you have to solve them until you get the one that is true. So I should see these problems stacked up on your paper on top of each other. Number 18, Miss Ray's class sold 14 fewer boxes of cookies than Miss Chad's class. Miss Chad's class sold 69 boxes. So how many boxes of cookies did Miss Ray's class sell? So they just told you this one backwards. They gave you the information backwards. So Miss Chad's class sold 69 boxes, and then Miss Ray's class sold 14 fewer boxes. So how many did Miss Ray's class sell? Again, that's Miss Chad's class sold 69 boxes of cookies. Miss Ray's class was 14 fewer than that. So how many did Miss Ray's class have? Number 19, which of the following shows an even number of beans separated into 2 equal groups? So you're looking for the one that shows 2 equal groups. And they've got group 1, group 2, group 1, group 2, group 1, group 2, group 1, group 2. Which one shows an even or an equal number of group, or 2 groups that have an equal amount? And then this is number 20, last one. Which of the following is 96 cents? Which of the following is 96 cents? So you're going to have to look at each one of the pictures. Remember, when you're counting quarters, 25, 50, 75, $1. Okay. So you're looking for 96 cents. All right, that is it. Make sure you have worked each problem out on your paper, and you can bring it or submit once I have Senior Piper. I want to see your scratch paper before you submit.